In this lecture, we are going to see what is binary addition and binary subtraction. For y'all, it is up to 4 bits, maximum 4 bits. Now, what do you mean by binary addition or what are the rules? We have already used these rules while converting a gray code into a binary and vice versa. Now, what it has? Now, it is going to add 2 bits or 2 variables. Now here, these 2 variables are called as augend or augend and addend. That is A and B. You have, since it's addition, you have a sum, you have a carry. Now, what is the first case? Remember that whenever, depending on number of variables, we will be having the combinations. That is, if you have 2 variables, that is A and B, the number of combinations possible are 2 raised to 2. If there are 3 variables, then 2 raised to 3, that is 8 combinations. So here, now what are the combinations? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now, the rules are 0 plus 0 is summation is 0, carry 0. Then 0 plus 1 is 1, carry 0. 1 plus 0 is 1, carry 0. Only in the last case, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Please remember this. Why it is like this? Because 1 plus 1 is what? Actually, it's 2 in decimal. But 2 in decimal is represented as 1 and 0 in binary. You write it as 1 and 0. So that's why it is this 1 and 0. So always we say 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Now we will add this. Let's take an example. This A plus B. Do the binary addition. So you write the first number plus the second number and you have to start from LSB. The way you do it in your normal mathematics. Start from LSB. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. Whenever carry is generated, you have to write it on the top of the neighbor. So 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Then, now you have to add all these 3 bits. That is 1 plus 1 is again 0, carry 1. So the moment the carry gets generated on the way, please write it on the top of the next digit. You cannot add the carry in the same line. So you have to add only these 3 bits. This carry from the previous, this 1 and this is 0. Just add these bits. In the case if any carries are generated, transfer them first only and keep it aside. So 1 plus 1 is 0. That 0 plus this 0 is 0. And whatever carry was generated here, it was transferred here. Now 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. You can very well check it out because this is 26, this is 12, that is binary to decimal, binary to decimal. So 26 plus 12 is equal to 38. You can very well check out. Next is binary subtraction rules. Now we have again A and B, which are called as minuend and subtrahend. So it is A minus B. Now here we have a subtract and a borrow. 0 minus 0 is 0, no borrow. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0 and 0 minus 1 is 1. Only this case is different. Now why it is like this? Because you are subtracting a 1 from 0. It is not possible. So you have to borrow something from the neighbor. So that's why here there is a borrow 1. So that 1, okay, comes here. So it is as good as the 1 and 0 minus 1. So it is as good as this will be 1 and 0 meaning 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. And borrow in this case is 1. Now let's take the same example. The first number minus the second number. 26 minus 12. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Now see, 0 minus 1. It is not possible, so I have to borrow from the neighbor. So from the neighbor it is coming here. Now after coming here, it doesn't become like 1. It becomes as 1 and 0. 1 and 0 meaning it's a 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, or you can refer the table also. So 0 minus 1 is directly right here. 0 minus 1 is 1, and you have borrowed from neighbor. Now come to the next. So here there is 0 minus 1 again. You need to borrow. Borrow from again neighbor. So again it is 1. Here it became 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay, please try it out on your own. In case of any difficulties, let me know. Next, we'll do something called as first complement, or it is also called as ones complement of a binary number. The ones complement of a number is found by changing all ones to zeros and all zeros to ones. That is called as taking the complement or taking the ones complement or a first complement. For example, this is a given number. How do you get a first complement? Just change 1 to 0, 0 to 1. So you have got 1 to 0, this became 1, this became 0, this became 1, this became 0. So this is a first complement of this binary number. Next is 2's complement, or it is also called as a second complement of a binary number. How it is done? 2's complement is equal to the first complement plus 1. So you have to just add 1 to the first complement. Now, the given number is 10101. This is a binary number given to you. How to get the 2's complement of it? First get the first complement, that is changing 1 to 0, 0 to 1. After doing this, add 1 to it. Now when you are adding, see to that you are adding it to the LSB. So it is 0 plus 1 is 1. 1, 0, 1, 0. So this number is the 2's complement of this number. Now, this is a slightly longer method to get the 2's complement. I will teach you the direct method to find the 2's complement, which is by observation. You have to observe the LSB of the number. Suppose a binary number is given to you and you are asked to find out the 2's complement. What do you do? Just observe the least significant bit. If it is 1, do this step. If the LSB of the number is 0, do this step. Now let's see what it is. So if the LSB of the number is 1, its 2's complement is obtained by changing each 0 to 1 and 1 to 0 except the LSB. Now in this case, see here, this is a binary number. I can directly write its 2's complement. You have to observe the LSB. LSB is 1. Copy down the LSB. Then after this, just invert the bits 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0. If the LSB of the number is 0, its 2's complement is obtained by scanning the number from LSB to MSB bit by bit and retaining the bits as they are up to and including the occurrence of the first one and complement all other bits. For example, suppose if this was 0, what you have to do? If the LSB is 0, you start scanning the number. Scan until you get a 1. So if this LSB is 0, okay, copy it down. See the next number. Is it 1? No. Copy it down. See the next digit. Is it 1? Yes. So copy down first, and then after this 1, you have to invert the bits. So this one, till the occurrence of the first one, you have to copy the bits, and then after that you have to invert the bits. Okay. So thank you.